Hello, my name is Max Westall, and I'm here to tell you about my time doing an online course with OCAD. During my time with them, I was given a decent amount of work for which I got amazing feedback from my tutors, and because of that, I was able to hone the skills that I already had, as well as learn new skills along the way, such as animation, photography, graphic design, and they even introduced me to the world of digital art. My tutors were just so great, and they met with me on a weekly basis, talking to me about my online coursework as well as my social life, so helping me with education and as a person. They weren't just and again, as I said, they gave me great feedback. They weren't just my lecturers, they were and still are, my friends. So if you're looking for a higher education or to get some UCAS points or just to get a little extra oomph into your personal statement, then I highly recommend an online course with OCAD.